Have you ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or like your life is just not moving forward? What if I told you that one simple mindset shift could instantly set you on the path to massive self-improvement? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to improve yourself right now, with practical steps that actually work. And trust me, this is not some fluffy self-help talk. This is real, actionable advice that can change your life starting today. Self-improvement isn't just about feeling better. It's about avoiding unnecessary suffering and helping those around you do the same. If you're tired of making the same mistakes, feeling lost, or just want to be a better version of yourself, then keep watching. By the end of this video, you'll have clear, step-by-step actions to take immediate control of your life. Let's get into it. Step 1. Start by understanding why you need to improve. The first step to real self-improvement is understanding why it matters. If you don't get your life in order, you will pay the price. Chaos breeds stress, pain, and frustration. And it doesn't just affect you, it affects the people around you. The good news? You have the power to change it. Step number 2. Fix what's right in front of you. Start small. Take a look around your immediate environment, your room, your workspace, your daily routine. What's messy, cluttered, or inefficient? Something as simple as organizing your space can have a powerful effect on your mindset. Studies show that a clean, organized environment reduces stress and boosts productivity. For an example, if you've got a pile of clutter on your desk, take 10 minutes to clean it up. Not only will you feel better, but you'll also be proving to yourself that you can make positive changes. Step number 3. Upgrade your daily habits. Most of your life is built on small, repetitive actions. Your morning routine, your eating habits, your time-wasting behaviors. These tiny actions add up, so if you're doing them wrong, they're dragging you down. Take this action now. Identify one small habit that isn't serving you and replace it with a better one. Instead of scrolling social media first thing in the morning, spend 5 minutes planning your day. Instead of snacking on junk, drink a glass of water. Small changes equals big results over time. Step number 4. Focus on what you can control. It's easy to get caught up in problems that are beyond your control. Global issues, other people's decisions, or things you simply don't have the resources to fix. Instead of wasting energy on those, channel your efforts into areas where you can make a real impact. For example, if you're struggling financially, focus on learning a new skill or improving your budgeting. If your relationships are strained, start by improving the way you communicate. Taking ownership of your life is the first step to real progress. Step number 5. Set clear, achievable goals. Vague goals lead to vague results. If you want to see real improvement, you need clear, actionable goals. Write them down, break them into smaller steps, and start tackling them one by one. Take this action now. Today, set one specific goal for the next 24 hours. Make it small but impactful, like reading 10 pages of a book, going for a 5-minute walk, or organizing your workspace. Once you start achieving small wins, momentum builds. Step number 6. Train your mind to see opportunities. Your brain filters the world based on what you focus on. If you constantly look for problems, that's all you'll see. But if you train yourself to look for solutions and opportunities, you'll start noticing ways to improve every aspect of your life. As an example, ever heard of the invisible gorilla experiment? It proves that we only see what we focus on. If you focus on negativity, that's all your mind will register. Instead, start looking for ways to grow, improve, and take action. Step number 7. Develop self-discipline and emotional control. Emotional intelligence and self-discipline are key to long-term success. Learn to control your reactions, avoid impulsive decisions, and build resilience. For example, if someone criticizes you, instead of reacting emotionally, pause and ask yourself, is there truth in this? Can I use this to improve? Step number 8. Read, learn, and grow every day. The most successful people in the world are lifelong learners. Commit to reading, taking courses, or listening to podcasts daily to expand your knowledge. Example: start with just 10 pages of a book each day. Over a year, that's 3,650 pages equivalent to 10 to 12 books. And finally, step number 9. Surround yourself with growth-oriented people. Your environment influences your growth. Surround yourself with people who inspire and challenge you to be better. Join mastermind groups, attend seminars, or connect with mentors who push you to level up. As we conclude this life-changing presentation, keep in mind that self-improvement is not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about consistent, small, meaningful actions that add up to a transformed life. The key? Start now. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just pick one thing from this video and apply it today. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more powerful personal growth content. Drop a comment below on what you're working on improving right now. Also, click the links in the description for exclusive resources, special products, and more tools to help you grow. See you in the next one.